Okay, this is the second video. In the first video, I went through the process of setting up PKI and generating some certs. In this video, I am going to configure the Nile Cloud RADIUS server, and we are going to import those certs that we generated for later use. We will also configure our segments and the wireless SSID. From the main screen, I am going to go to Network Setup and choose Authentication. This is where I can configure Radius servers. As you can see, there's multiple Radius servers that I have already configured, but let's focus on the Nile Cloud Radius. Let's open that up. EAP-TLS is what I want. I am going to punch in the password. This password needs to be the same exact password that I used for generating the certs. Next, I am going to upload the server file, hit save. Okay, it imported the certs. Now, keep in mind the status right now is showing NA. It does need to turn into valid before this will work. While we wait for that, I am going to go ahead and start creating some policies. First policy will be for the employees. Select the source certificate. By the way, as you can see, there are a bunch of different options, and each option gives you different attributes. I'm going to just focus on certificate because that is what we are using. And I will choose organizational unit equals employees, except I'm going to dump it into segment A, pan tag, employees. Pan tag, I will go over it later on, but for now we are just going to enable the policy. This is a different conversation. Create one more. Follow the same process basically. Dump it into segment B. Enable policy, create. Okay. Nile Cloud Radius is done. Imported the certs, created the policies. Now, next, I need to go to the segments, segment A and segment B. I need to tell those segments to use Nile Cloud Radius as their authentication, for their authentication. Save that. Go to segment B. Nile Cloud Radius, save. Next, I will create an SSID. Let's call it Nile EAP-TLS, security WP3, segments. We'll choose the two different segments that were configured. Save. And we are done. Now, this is pretty much ready to start serving the clients. As long as the client have that cert, it will connect and be put into the segment that we specified in our policy. Let's take a look at that in the next video.